Hey everybody, my name is Steve from New Zealand, and I've completed the first stage of Greg's course. I'm getting well in excess of 90% with my trades up to now. I could not believe this was possible. I've done trading for probably nearly 5 years. I've attended 4 courses before this one, paid a lot of money in course fees. I tell you, nothing approaches the efficiency, the way that Greg teaches. He's able to make complex things, the market structure, the time of entry and exit, all these kind of things, make them so clear, so straightforward. And I have to say, the follow-up afterwards is magnificent. It is fabulous. Greg is a trained teacher, and he just sets the scene and the bar, and the community to work with are brilliant because we're all picking up on Greg. And so I've arrived here. I'm really excited. I've been through a lot of heartache before I came to Greg. And I tell you, the investment I have put into this course, well worth the money. It's an investment in yourself and in your future. And I want to thank Greg from the bottom of my heart. Greg, thank you so much for what I have learned and am learning with your amazing ongoing teaching. The community as well. Thanks, guys. You are brilliant. As a Christian and a church pastor, I want to thank our Lord Jesus Christ as well. So please do consider joining up to Greg's course. You won't be disappointed. It's a brilliant investment and can set you up for life. Thanks, guys.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!